Hey guys, so I'm in the back of my Ford Maverick today. I want to try out this new bed mat that I have for my Ford Maverick. And as you can see, I already have a bed spray-on liner, but I'm still going to use this bed mat on top of this spray-on liner, and I'll tell you why. Okay, so I do have the factory spray-on liner, and you could see it's been scuffed up quite a bit. I do use it, and you can see there's a lot of sand back there. I take it fishing and all that kind of stuff. So it does get scuffed up after a while, but it's still okay. But I do want to protect it a little bit more too, if I can, because I do drag heavy items in and out of this. And you can see I have a lot of sand and assorted stuff. So I'm going to keep my bed extender too, and so we'll see how it fits with the bed extender. So let's check it out. All right, so I'm going to use this Nilight truck bed mat, and this one is made specifically for the Ford Maverick, so it should fit perfectly. So let's give it a shot. All right, so it comes folded up like this. So it's going to need some time to settle. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's got this grain. You can see it's not a smooth surface. It's got this grain, which is kind of cool. It'll kind of keep things from sliding around. And this hole right there, that little slot, is made for that anchor right over there. All right, so let's install it. Just a little bit of before shot. I'm not going to clean anything up. I'm just going to leave it. All right, you can see coming out of the package, it's gonna warp a little bit, and I do suspect that because it was folded up. But let's see the initial fitment. All right, so there's for the anchors, fits pretty nicely. Everything seems to be very snug. The side walls, it's a pretty decent height, and it fits underneath my switches, so that's very nice. You can see the contours of the edges. I think it does a good job of fitting the Maverick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back tomorrow and check out how well this settles. And it should settle and be real flat. You can see right now, it's a little bit, it's a little bit wavy and stuff, but with the heat, everything should flatten out. So let's come back 4 days later. Let's take a look at it. All right, so here's my bed extender. So it'll still fit on with the bed extender, no problem. So you can see it definitely flattened out. I did put on a little weight, and you can see it's a little lumpy still, but yeah, over time, it's gonna flatten out really nicely. And if it was hotter, yeah, it'll flatten out even faster on a hot summer's day or something like that. Yeah, every edge still fits really great. So I like it.